more.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, ये मैं हूँ guys, marshmallows, s'mores.
He decided to stay in the old abandoned house for the night. But the second he got in, he started feeling dizzy.
आ जाइए प्लीज, बिस्मिल्लाह कीजिए प्लीज, बरकत डालिए प्लीज, आ जाइए प्लीज, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Delicious.
ये मैं हूँ और ये एनी है और ये अली है जो डांस कर रहे हैं विद क्रैकर्स।
अगर आपने अच्छा
ये मैं हूँ।
अगर आपने अच्छा रोस्ट करना है तो इसको मुसलसल ना
हाँ,
फ्लिप
हाँ।
करते जाएं।
ओके।
जैसे एवरी 5 सेकंड्स होते हैं।
ओके, चलिए बारबेक्यू बनाते हैं। बारबेक्यू।
Look at the marshmallow. Who burned the marshmallow?
मी।
You have to put it after you see some warming up. You eat it.
बारबेक्यू।
You know the chicken nugget cow? Appa. This is so good. But as soon as the man went inside the store, take one. Because there was nobody there. There was no one. The place was extremely empty. The only thing left inside. Coffee. I need my tea. And you went fresh. But the weird thing was they were fresh when there was no one there because nobody had been there before for a century. So how come the bacon was fresh? The man continued until he found a storage room. All black with blood on it.
Ooh,
He
that's
went-
scary.
He went inside. He took the most recent one and started disinfecting it, looking at what it might be. Show me. So the man. Look at the beautiful store. So the man made some food and ate it. And then he saw somebody in the box. So this man had a wife, he had 3 children that had gone. Does anybody want a sport?
Ooh,
नो प्रॉब्लम, हम स्पाइसी वाले लोग हैं।
Yeah, I'm just spicy.
wow.
मैं अच्छा सुना रही हूँ।
बहुत अच्छा।
चटनी के साथ खाएं। I like staying in the